Hello, my name is Ann Ritz. We are the 2023 Northern Arizona University Canoe Captains. I am the project manager.
My name is Mason Tomasco. I'm the mixed design lead.
My name is Victor Wing. I am the hull design lead.
I am Matt Lazier. I'm the quality assurance and quality control manager.
My name is Brendan Napier. I'm the structural analysis lead.
And over the past 8 months, we've been working to create this, our very own concrete canoe.
This year, we decided to go with a shallow arch canoe, so we have plenty of space. We also have flared sides.
This year's team really wanted to make an environmentally friendly concrete mixture design. That is why we use post-consumer carpet, calcium carbonate, which is a byproduct of the carpet recycling industry.
For the construction this year, we decided to use a female mold, placing the concrete on the inside in 1/2-inch layers with 1 layer of reinforcement in between the two.
Our canoe has high strength, low weight, and high initial and secondary stability. That's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.